Now, dear students, we have to see that two type of the solution. One is known as the ideal solution, and one is known as the non-ideal solution. So actually this concept ideal solution, so ideal concept is never going to be correct if we are going to be say that there is no word regarding the ideal. It is something related with the real, not the ideal. But here we have to see the situations about the ideal solution. So first of all, if we consider what is the ideal solution, then if we are going to be say that the ideal solution means the solution which strictly obey Rawls law. See, which strictly obey Rawls law in all contradictions, and temperature is called ideal solution. So we can say that PA, P naught A, XA, equation 1, PB, P naught B, XB, equation 2. So PT is equal to PA plus PB. So P naught A XA plus P naught B XB. So here this is known as the Rawls law. So the solution which follow this condition is called as the ideal solution. Some of the characteristics we have to see about the ideal solution, that in ideal solution characteristics of ideal solution. First, ideal solutions strictly obey Rawls law in all temperature, in all contradiction. It's going to be obey the Rawls law. Second one, in ideal solution, force of attraction between components, for example A, B and A and B is always remain same. So the force between all this component is always remain the same. Next one, change in volume of mixture or solution is 0. So del V is equal to 0. Change in enthalpy of mixture is 0. So del H is equal to 0. This all are the characteristics of the ideal solution. If we talk about the non-ideal solution, then very simply we can say that non-ideal solution means what? Then non-ideal solution which not follow Rawls law. The solution which not follow the Rawls law means solution which is actually real, in which when we add the solute component into the solvent, in this case both partial pressure is going to be changed. Means as per the Rawls law, they are directly proportional to the means mole fraction. Is it not possible? Sometimes it's going to be differ. So non-ideal solution means solution which not follow the Rawls law. If we talk about the characteristics of non-ideal solution, then first of all, strictly don't obey the Rawls law. Second, in non-ideal solution, force of attraction between components, for example, AB, AA, BB is differ. And due to this differ, they gives deviation, and this deviation is called as there is a two types of the deviation. One is the positive deviation and one is the negative deviation. Next, change in volume of mixture is not equal to zero. Change in enthalpy of mixture is not equal to 0. Again, it's not equal to 0. So this all characteristics of a non-ideal solution. So in this manner, in this lecture, we already discussed one is the ideal solution and one is the non-ideal solution. Okay, thank you.